Hello, this is Mark from the Shading Company out here in Houston, Texas, where we completed the installation of this patio shades along with an Equinox louvered roof system. These two patio shades are motorized units powered by Sunfi US motors. The fabric is a Suntex 95 solar fabric in bronze, and the hardware and fabrication comes from Eclipse Shading Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you both products so you can see how they work. In my hand, I have the typical Sunfi Telus patio remote. This is an exterior remote. It can get wet. It's waterproof. The remote comes with 4 channels. In this application, we're only using 2 channels. Right now I have channel 2 selected, which is the large shade. I'm going to hit the upper button and you will see how the unit is going to go to its upper limit. The unit has reached its upper limit. I can also operate unit 1 by selecting, or I can have the all function. I'm going to bring this unit up. This unit is a bit smaller, so it's a little bit faster to go up to its upper limit. The other product that we installed in this location is the Equinox louvered roof system. It is a 100% powder coated unit, aluminum product. When this unit is closed, it's going to collect any water coming on top of it. It's going to drain it to the built-in gutter system, and then it's going to drain it to the house, and then down to the house gutters to drain it down into the ground. Here we have the remote. The customer has the flexibility of opening and closing these louvers to the desired point. You can stop them at any time. You can control how much sunlight coming in. You can see how it's keeping the sunlight away from those doors. It's going to cool all that area down. When it rains on a nice day like today, they can have it open, see the blue sky. When it rains, they can completely close the unit, which I'll show you here in a second. And we also installed these 2 fans with the fan beams, all the wiring integrated in the system, so no visible wires are seen. I'm going to go ahead and close the unit. Boom. They want its rain, they want some shade, they can close the louvered roof system. I'm going to go ahead and bring these shades down. Again, I'm going to bring them down at the same time. Select my all function, and you can see now both shades are coming down to the lower limit. Again, the smaller shade is going to move quicker than the bigger shade. This is a 20-foot shade, so it's big and heavy. It's going to take some more time. Again, very clean installation, very nice solution. The customer is very happy. The customer is going to be able to control their environment from privacy, sun, wind, rain. And you're in the market for any exterior solutions, shading solution, or patio covers, give us a call. This is Mark from the Shading Company.